We are going to continue the second chapter on page 32 and 33. Activity 3 shows the presence of or growth of fungus on bread. Here the material required are bread, warm water, microscope. Moisten a slice of bread and place it in a warm place. After a few days, we can observe that green patches on the bread slice. This shows that the presence of or the growth of fungus on bread. They live in groups, so they are called colonies of fungus growth. The activity 4 shows the budding of yeast cell. Budding is a kind of asexual reproduction in which only one parent is involved. There will be the outgrowth from the body part of the cell. Then this outgrowth will be detached from the main cell, that is parent cell. In this activity, materials required are baker's yeast, it is a microorganism, and warm sugar solution and the glass slide. Here what we are going to do is put some yeast in warm sugar solution. Leave it for 2 to 3 hours. Put a few drops, 1 or 2 drops on a glass slide and keep it under the microscope. What do we observe? We can see the outgrowth on these yeast cells, or we can say this is budding of yeast cells. Slowly this outgrowth will be detached from the parent cell, and this is the process of reproduction of yeast. Now we study fungi. The fungi which lives on the bodies of plants and animals are called parasitic fungi. The next one is saprophytic fungi. What is saprophytic? The organism which live on decaying matter or dead matter of plants or animal remains are called saprophytic. The fungi which live on decaying matter are called saprophytic fungi, like molds. The other example is mushrooms. Now let us discuss the uses of fungi. Mushrooms are eaten as food. Yeast is helped for making cakes and breads because it is soften the matter. Fungi is used in the preparation of alcohol by the process of fermentation, and also it is used in preparation of medicine. Example is penicillin. Penicillin is prepared from the fungus called Penicillium. Fungi also help in decomposition of dead matter, which increase the soil fertility. The activity 5 is to show fermentation of dough. In this activity 5, we are going to take yeast, sugar, balloon, warm water along with bottles. Now take some warm water and add yeast, sugar and little flour. Take this mixer in a bottle and cover the bottle with the unfilled balloon, that is deflated balloon. Keep the bottle aside for few hours. We can observe that the balloon will be inflated by itself. This is because of formation of carbon dioxide gas. In this process, fermentation of sugar takes place by the presence of yeast cell. During fermentation of sugar, carbon dioxide is released. Because of formation of this gas, the balloon is filled, that is inflated. Now we are going to see the harmfulness of fungi. Fungi spoil the food. It causes diseases like athlete's foot. It also spoils the leather materials. The next unicellular or microorganism is protozoa. They can move from place to place with the help of cilia, flagella, pseudopodia. Example of protozoa is amoeba, paramecium, plasmodium, etc. These microorganisms live in fresh or salty water and also live in soil. The first example is amoeba. With the help of pseudopodia, that is protruding part, it moves from one place to another, and also it engulfs food with the help of pseudopodia. Amoeba feed on tiny organisms like algae. The pseudopodia surround the food and form the food vacuole. With the help of enzymes present inside the body, the digestion of food in amoeba take place. Vaccination is a process of giving medicine to the persons to fight against the disease.